Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing a powerful trading strategy that uses three time frames. Alright, it's a multi-time frame trading strategy that involves analyzing the market using more than one time frame in order to gain a broader perspective. Okay, so the three time frame approach typically starts with a higher time frame to understand the overall market trend. This larger view helps traders identify whether the market is trending upward, downward, or moving sideways. For example, starting from the 4-hour time frame or even the daily time frame, and then we recognize that the market is currently downtrending. Right, you can see the series of lower highs and lower lows. Right, so next, traders move to a medium time frame. Let's just use the 1 hour for example. Right, so the essence of going to a medium time frame is to observe the structure of the trend and identify areas where price is pulling back or consolidating. So since we have a bearish trend on the higher time frame, this is going to be a resistance for us, right? So we can see price getting rejected around this zone. So we want to be looking out for a potential sell opportunity, right? Because we have a bearish trend on the higher time frame. Okay, so finally, the lower time frame, maybe the 15 minutes or the 5 minutes, right? The lower time frame is going to be to watch for detailed price action signals that may confirm a potential entry point. All right, so maybe price climbs up to this point, and then maybe we get a bearish confirmation candlestick pattern form, right? Maybe we have a bearish structure here on the 15 minutes, then that can be a good entry signal. Okay, so using multiple time frames allows traders to align short-term movements with the broader market direction. For example, a trader may observe a trend, maybe uptrend or downtrend as the case may be on the higher time frame, and then a pullback on the medium time frame, and then look for a price action signal on the lower time frame. Okay, so this layered approach helps traders analyze the market from different perspectives rather than relying on a single chart. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.